teachers, parents, and classmates. Good morning. Today is our graduation day. We are about to move on a new journey in our studies. As the saying goes, education is treasure that no one can steal. All these medals are our first treasure. To our Almighty God, thank you for all the blessings. To my family, my daddy, my mommy, thank you for all the love and support. To Teacher Raquel and Teacher Leia, thank you for all the knowledge you imparted to us. We may depart our ways today, but the fond memories we experience in each day will always remain in our hearts. To my fellow students, there will come a time that we will meet again as professional doctor, engineer, teacher, general, or the president of the Philippines. This is the challenge that I will leave to all of you, and our promise to our alma mater, the HGL. Thank you and God bless us all.